Welcome to fourth recap video of a GCE O-Level Mathematics Target video series. So we are second year undergraduates from University of Molotov, Faculty of Engineering, Department of Transport and Logistics Management. So let's move on. Yes, and this is the question number 7. So you can see two questions under that. So first one is ABCD parallelogram and find the value of x and y. Another one is in triangle ABC, midpoints of the sides AB and BC are E and F respectively. The lines AF and CE intersect at G. The point D lies on the extended BG such that BG equals GD. So pause this video right now and do your workings on your own because this is mathematics. So you need to try first of all before you go into check out the workings. Okay. Yes. Now I hope you have paused the video and you have gone through all the workings. And let's get it. If you didn't get the answers, don't worry. Learn right now. Okay. So let's move on. Yes. So the first question, ABCD is a parallelogram. Find the values of x and y. So when we consider DCB angle, which is x, and DAB angle, and which is 60, which is indicated here, 60 degrees. So it is equal. So the DCB angle and DAB angle are equal because opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Okay. So you need to know you need to know basic characteristics of a parallelogram to get this answer. So therefore x equals 60 degrees, and it is very simple if you know the basic characteristics. So next one is DCB angle. So we have to find the x and y both. DCB angle plus CBA angle. Okay, when we consider and DCB plus CBA angles equals 180 because DC parallel to AB and they are allied angles. So this is one of another basic characteristic of a parallelogram. Therefore, x plus y equals 180 degrees and y equals 180 degrees minus 60 degrees. So y equals 120 degrees. Okay. So let's move to the second question under that here. In a triangle, ABC midpoints of the sides AB and BC are E and F respectively. The lines AF and CE intersect at G. The point D lies on the extended BG such that BG equals GD. Write down two geometric relationships between GE and AD. That's the A part. Okay. From observing ABD triangle, you can find out GE parallel to AD. Why is that? And GE equals half of AD. Do you know why is that? It is because it was taken by midpoint theorem. So if you couldn't remember midpoint theorem, go through your theory books and you into a textbook, mathematics, and it is explained, and midpoint theorem is explained really well in your textbook. And find out and learn it. That's the best way to self-learning is the best way to get to know the mathematics, get to be good in mathematics. That's the best way. So by midpoint theorem, we have taken that. Okay. Now let's move into B part. So they have asked, show that AGCD is a parallelogram. Again, you need to know characteristics of a parallelogram. Okay. So we can find out AD parallel to EG, and we have proved it. Okay. And therefore, AD parallel to GC. Okay. Then from BDC triangle, GF parallel to mid DC. We have taken by midpoint theorem. Therefore, AG parallel to DC. Okay. So ADCG is a parallelogram because opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay. I think you got to know the best thing. While I'm telling this all the workings, do this, but when I'm saying go to A, when I say the AD parallel to EG, find out AD in your figure. Okay, you have write down this, you have draw this figure in your book and find out AD. So how can AD parallel to EG? I have proved in the A part. Okay, so you have know them, that is midpoint theorem also. Okay, so try out. This is the way to do. This is the way to get this sum done. Okay. Yes. Then C part, BD and AC intersects at P. Give reason for why AP equals PC. Okay. So let's find out why is that. So ADCG is a parallelogram. So we have proved that in the B part. Okay. So AP equals PC. Why? Diagonals will bisect each other in a parallelogram. That's the basic reason. And again, characteristic of a parallelogram. Okay. You need to know all the characteristics of the parallelogram to get this sum done. So if you know this, these are very simple. So the part D, prove that BP equals 4 over 3 BD. BD equals 2 GD. Why? How can we take that? G is the midpoint. Okay. Then GD equals 2 PD. Now work on your own on the figure. Okay. Now find out what is where's GD and where's PD, and how can he take that 2 PD? Okay. Yeah. So since diagonals bisects, P will be the midpoint. Okay. Then therefore we can take like this. BD equals 2 into, okay, we have taken 2, we're going to substitute, okay, just a substitution. 2 PD, and it is BD finally equals to 4 PD. Okay. Then we can take like this. 4 over 1 BD equals PD. Okay. Then BP equals 3 into PD. Okay. The work on your own. Even though I'm telling this, you have to work on your own. You can watch this just like watching a movie. Okay. You need to work on this. If you work on this, your mind will know, yeah, I can do this. Okay. So your mind, you can recall all the memories of what you have done throughout 2 years. Okay. Now we are going to do O levels now. Yeah. Okay. I think you can remember. I think this video series will be very helpful to you to recall your memory. Okay. So the next one is BP equals 3 into 4 over 1 BD. So we got the answer. BP equals 4 over 3 BD. Okay. Yes. Okay, let's meet again with recap 5, and thank you for watching this video, and please make sure to share these videos with your friends also, and thank you very much.